A salt block? Yeah, I think I know what to do with this thing. Hey, thanks for watching Cooking with Cam. Today we're going to use a Himalayan salt block. We're going to put some shrimp, scallops, and a shish kebab I made on and cook it on this salt block. There's a couple things you need to know before you go cooking with one of these. First, you got to bring it up to temp real slow. Bring it up to about 200, 300, and eventually you want to be at 550. If you bring it up too fast, it's going to crack on you. There's another option you can use these things for is cold. You can get it real cold and use it as a serving tray. You know, put your food on there. It holds temperature really, really well. So anyway, let's fire up the grill, bring this thing up to temp slowly, and see how it tastes. I didn't season our food. We're just going to straight up salt block it and just kind of see what the taste tastes like. So anyway, thanks for watching Cooking with Cam. Alright, I got my temp gun out, and it looks like my salt block's running about 670. So that's plenty hot enough. This thing's going to cook fast. So let's get started. Okay, I'm started with my shish kebabs. Looks like they're cooking pretty well. This shouldn't take long. I'm going to bring the meat up to about medium. And then we'll throw our shrimp and our scallops on. This thing is really cooking hot. Look at that shrimp right there. Great flavor. Same with the scallop. So if you want to try a salt block, just remember to bring it up nice and slow, up to about 550 degrees. Just spread your food with a little bit of peanut oil and let it set on there, but watch it because it cooks fast, but it cooks good. I had no seasoning on this, and it turned out just wonderful. So anyway, next time you're in the store, get you a salt block and try it out. Try it on steak, chicken, whatever, and something different, and it's pretty good. So thanks for watching Cooking with Cam.